When it comes to the underwater drone, the submersible drone, this is a unique technology for us. The underwater drone is a game changer. To be able to go 300 feet underwater and take pictures and videos, to have claws connected to the drone that can come out and grab items up to 5 pounds and pull it back up to the surface of the earth or to the surface of the water, is a really good revolutionary tool that I think will make a big difference for research and development firms, for colleges and universities, for all kinds of businesses in the maritime environment. Imagine us inspecting canals and the locks that are built in those canals. Imagine us going into the depths of lakes and ponds and oceans and beaches for search and rescue purposes, research and development purposes. These technologies can do amazing things, and we're very excited to bring the underwater drone technology to the marketplace.